Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set up your account on FlexFacts.com. Follow these easy instructions to access your FlexFacts Benefits Card balance and manage your benefits efficiently. Step 1. Visit FlexFacts.com. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Type www.flexfacts.com into the address bar and press Enter. Step 2. Click on Register. Once the homepage of FlexFacts loads, locate the Register button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Step 3. Enter your personal information. You will be prompted to enter your personal details such as full name, email address, date of birth, employee ID, if applicable, your FlexFacts Benefits Card number. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. After filling in the required fields, click Next. Step 4. Set up your login credentials. You will now be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a username that is easy to remember and make sure your password is strong, combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 5. Answer security questions. To enhance the security of your account, you will need to select and answer a few security questions. These will be used for account recovery if you forget your login details later. Step 6. Agree to terms and conditions. Carefully read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Once you've reviewed them, click on the checkbox to indicate that you agree to them. Then, click Submit. Step 7. Confirm your email address. After registration, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 8. Log in to your account. Once your email is verified, go back to flexfacts.com, click on the Login button, and enter your newly created username and password. Step 9. Set up security features. Optional. For extra protection, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is optional but highly recommended for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 10. Start managing your benefits. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your account. Now you can easily access your FlexFacts Benefits Card balance, check claims, and manage your benefits at any time. Setting up your account on flexfacts.com is quick and easy. By following these simple steps, you'll be ready to manage your benefits and check your FlexFacts card balance with ease. If you encounter any issues, customer support is available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.